In this video I will shortly show you how to make a glass wall water fountain because I just came right out of the workshop where we did a test setup for a glass water wall, as you can see here, because we always test the water wall before we deliver. And in this short video I'm going to show you the basic principle, which is actually pretty easy if you know how to do it and if you have the correct dimensions. But the most important thing is the overflow channel, which we build in stainless steel. As you can see here in the video, we go from above with a hose. Then inside this overflow channel we have a sub distribution, which I will not explain in this video. You can find more detailed explanation on the sub distribution in another video in this channel, or you go to our Waterwall School at wawazen.net as described below in the link, where you can buy the Glass Waterwall Mastery course. And also we have there a free course where you learn the basics. But back to the principle, which is, as I said, we have the overflow channel, then we have the glass plate, which is inserted here in the overflow channel, so the water collects in this channel, gets over this lip, and then if you do it right, you will have a very nice complete coverage of the surface with beautiful waves and a harmonic water film. And down at the bottom I would recommend to use a skewed plate, as you can see here in this example. So this helps us avoiding splashes, because the water gets redirected in a small angle, and it also is reducing the noise. So this is how we do it. When we fix the glass plate in the bottom tank, we use a stainless steel bottom tank because we just like working with stainless steel, but you also can use plastic or glass as a bottom tank. But for the overflow channel I would recommend to use stainless steel. And yeah, this is in our workshop. It's maybe not so beautiful when it will be much more beautiful when it's installed at the customer's place, but I hope you get a basic idea how to build a glass wall water fountain, and hope to see you soon in the Waterwall School. Thank you, bye bye.